The chair is built. The AI designed it. The robot cut every joint. Carpenters are the craftspeople of our built world, the skilled tradespeople who frame houses, fit kitchens, craft bespoke furniture, and shape the timber structures that define how we live and work. It is one of humanity's oldest professions. But today, AI-driven CNC machines, robotic fabrication systems, and generative design software are entering workshops, construction sites, and manufacturing floors. So, is the carpenter facing an AI revolution? And what does this mean for the skilled tradesperson working with wood today? Let us start with what AI is already doing in the world of carpentry and joinery. Computer numerical control machines, CNC routers, and robotic cutting systems are now guided by AI-generated design files that can produce precise cuts, joints, and profiles in a fraction of the time a skilled carpenter would require. Companies like Weinig and Homag have deployed AI-powered production lines where timber is processed, cut, and assembled with near-zero manual input. Generative design software, powered by artificial intelligence, is creating optimized furniture and structural timber designs based on material constraints, load requirements, and aesthetic parameters. Tools like Autodesk Fusion and Parametric Design AI are producing joinery and cabinetry designs that maximize material efficiency and structural performance automatically. Prefabrication and modular construction, driven by AI planning systems, are transforming the housebuilding sector. Companies like IKEA's Boclock and Katera have used AI-optimized factory carpentry to produce standardized structural components at scale, reducing on-site skilled carpentry requirements significantly. AI-powered estimating and project management software is automating the measurement, material calculation, and scheduling work that previously required experienced trade knowledge. But here is where the carpenter remains absolutely irreplaceable. Bespoke and heritage joinery, the crafting of period-accurate furniture, listed building restoration, custom staircases, hand-cut dovetails, and architectural woodwork demands tactile skill, trained eye, and creative judgment that no machine can replicate. The finest cabinet makers and heritage joiners are not competing with robots. They are in a different market entirely. On-site adaptability is irreducibly human. No two construction sites are identical. Carpenters working in occupied buildings, listed structures, awkward roof spaces, and complex extensions must constantly adapt, problem-solve, and exercise skilled judgment in real-time, skills that robots cannot perform in unstructured environments. Customer relationships, design consultation, and project management for bespoke residential and commercial work require interpersonal skill, trust building, and creative collaboration that AI simply cannot replicate. Carpenters who develop expertise in CNC operation, digital fabrication, timber engineering, and sustainable construction will be among the most sought-after tradespeople in the industry. And those who combine traditional craft mastery with modern digital skills, designing in software, operating AI-guided machines, and delivering bespoke premium work, will thrive in a market that values human craft more highly as automation takes over the generic end of the trade. So, will carpenters be obsolete by 2030? The reality is this: high-volume, repetitive, standardized carpentry, production line furniture, standard door hanging, mass house-building components will increasingly be automated. The demand for large teams performing repetitive timber processing is already declining in manufacturing settings. However, the construction industry faces a severe skilled trades shortage across the United Kingdom and beyond. The Federation of Master Builders reports that carpenter and joiner shortages are at record levels. Demand for new housing, retrofit insulation, timber frame construction, and net zero building is driving significant growth in carpentry requirements. The Chartered Institute of Building projects that the UK construction sector will need over 200,000 additional skilled tradespeople by 2030, with carpenters and joiners among the most urgently needed. Those most at risk are carpenters performing purely repetitive, standardized production work in factory settings. Those in bespoke, heritage, and on-site construction roles are in strong demand. By 2030, the workshop will look different. The CNC machine will have cut the components overnight. The AI will have optimized the design. But the master carpenter will still be the one who reads the grain of the timber, fits the joint perfectly, and produces work that lasts a century. AI is not replacing the carpenter. It is handing them a more powerful workshop than they have ever had before. The future of carpentry is not the robot or the algorithm. It is the craftsperson who knows how to use both.